What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? So today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup when I go to uni/college. For those who don't know, I always wake up like super early when I have classes, just because like I want to do my makeup and then I want to dress up, just looking presentable, you know what I mean? I really love looking presentable when I attend classes and like just go to uni, because it kind of like gives me spirit to like learn and just like focus during lectures, you know what I mean? Without further ado, I'm just gonna start off my makeup with foundation. Oh my god! And then I'm just gonna blend this out with a sponge. So I'm done blending my foundation. I use just one pump of foundation because I want the coverage to be like really sheer, just enough to like even out my skin tone and maybe like cover a little bit of discoloration or redness or whatever. And as you can see, my dark circles and my acne scars here are still peeking through. Cause girl, we're gonna cover that with concealer. I'm just gonna apply it here to cover my dark circles. I use orangey concealer because I wanna like color correct and conceal at the same time. I put here, 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 and on my acne scars. Oh my god, I have a lot of acne scars. I always have breakouts for no reason, literally. And then I like to lift my concealer for a little while to let it dry to give more coverage. And then while I'm waiting, I'm just gonna take a light colored concealer, more lighter than this one, to highlight my face. I'm gonna put it here. I put here. And then here. Just apply the light colored concealer to any areas that you want them to appear brighter. Here, here. Then I'm just gonna blend this on. I look so stupid right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this out. Next, I'm just gonna bake my under eyes. Here, 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 here. And then I'm just gonna set all over my face. Why do you have to bake? Why baking is important? Because you do not want your concealer to crease, especially if you have fine lines like me. If you don't bake it, girl, it's gonna crease the house. So it's really important to bake, especially in this weather, girl. You better bake. If not, your face is gonna get oily and like the foundation is gonna get all over the place and you're gonna look ugly. Okay, and then I'm just gonna let it bake. While I'm baking, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows real quick. First, draw the frame, but leave out the front. Just don't do anything to the front of your eyebrows. Just leave it. After drawing the frame, you just fill it in, and then after you're done filling in, you just draw a little at the front, but like at the lower frame, and then you just blend it using your finger. And then I'm just gonna proceed drawing my left brow. So I'm done with the brow, so I'm just gonna wipe off the bake. Moving on to the eyeshadow. I usually use just one shade for my eyeshadow. I usually use this brown shade right here. So I'm just gonna take an eyeshadow brush, pick up some color. I'm just gonna put it all over the lid. And then I'm just gonna blend this. And then I'm just gonna take a more precise brush. This comes with the palette actually. I'm gonna take the same color, and I'm just gonna put it under my eye. Then I'm just gonna do the same for the left eye, and that's it for the eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna apply blusher on my cheeks. This is literally my most favorite part in the whole makeup routine because I have fat cheeks. And then like when I put blush on it, they just look so rosy, and like it makes me look so cute. Like watch, okay? Watch. This is from Wet n Wild. It's all cracked because I stepped on it. My fat ass literally stepped on this blusher for no reason. Like, and then I'm just gonna put a little on my nose just to like look cute or whatever. I'm gonna put some on my chin. Okay. Do you guys see the difference? I look so cute. Like, kenapa lah tak siapa suka aku? Moving on to highlighter. I use the one from Wet n Wild. I also like highlighting my face because I like my makeup to like look wet and shiny, you know? Because I'm extra like that. Ooh. And then just gonna take a more precise brush. And then I put some on my Cupid's bow. Gitu. And then, of course, on the tip of my nose. And then, kat batang hidung. Macam gitu. Oh my god! Look, I look so glossy and wet. Basah. Macam gitu. I really like highlighting the tip of my nose because I don't know why. I just, like, what is the point of having a nose if you do not highlight its tip? Like, and then do not forget to put some highlighter on the inner corner of your eyes. Okay, since I'm done with the face, I'm just gonna spritz some setting spray. This is from Rimmel. You use setting spray because you want to set your makeup and then just like, you know, make it last longer or whatever. Moving on to lips. I like using nude lipsticks on a daily basis. This is one of my favorites. This is from Into It, in the code Rouch. When I use this lipstick specifically, I like to like overline a little because when the lipstick dries down, it really makes your lip look fuller than it is. Other than this lipstick, I also use the Maybelline Toasted Brown a lot. It's everyone's favorite, guys. Some days I use nude lipsticks, but like the other days when I feel like I want attention, like look at my lips, everyone look at my luscious lips. I just go for like bold colors, like red and maroon, just like very dark colors though. The lipstick has dried down a little. It just looks so good on my lips. It really makes my lips look fuller. Okay, before I forget, I'm just gonna apply my mascara. My favorite mascara is L'Oreal Lash Paradise, but it's really hard to be washed off, so I'm just gonna use this Hyper Curl Volume Express Easy Wash from Maybelline. I rarely curl my lashes before applying mascara because my lashes are like already curled and already like long. Not to brag, but it's the truth. So this mascara is good if you already have like long curled lashes, you know? Like if your lashes are not cute to begin with, then you can opt for L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So that's it. That's my whole makeup routine for every day. So how do I look? Cantik kan? So yeah, I'm just gonna end this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Mwah.